For decades, astronomy textbooks told a story of an unavoidable cosmic doom. Our home, the Milky Way galaxy, hurtling through the void on a collision course with our massive neighbor, Andromeda. In about 4 billion years, the two titans would meet in a gravitational firestorm, merging into a single colossal galaxy, nicknamed Milky Way. It was an appointment written in the stars, a destiny we could predict but never escape. But what if that cosmic appointment has been called off? New research based on years of fresh data has turned this certainty into a cosmic coin flip. The grand collision, once thought inevitable, now has only about a 50% chance of happening within the next 10 billion years. So what changed? Our eyes on the universe got sharper. Data from the European Space Agency's Gaia spacecraft, which has mapped over 2 billion stars with breathtaking precision, gave us a clearer picture of our galaxy's exact motion. Combining that with the deep space vision of the Hubble telescope, astronomers ran the clock forward. They used a technique called Monte Carlo simulations, which is like running the future 100,000 times. In each run, they slightly tweaked the starting numbers for the galaxy's positions and velocities, all within the tiny margins of error our best instruments still have.
What they found was staggering. Those minuscule uncertainties, when projected billions of years into the future, created a huge range of possible outcomes. Our galaxy's fate wasn't one path, but a spray of possibilities. And it turns out this isn't just a two-galaxy story. There are other cosmic actors influencing the outcome. The first is our own companion, the Large Magellanic Cloud. This satellite galaxy is a significant gravitational player. As it orbits us, it's giving the Milky Way a subtle but crucial sideways push, like a hand on our back guiding us slightly off the direct path toward Andromeda. It's acting as our unwitting bodyguard. But Andromeda has its own accomplice. The Triangulum galaxy, the third largest member of our local group, is tugging on Andromeda, pulling it ever so slightly closer to us, trying to keep the collision on schedule. And enveloping all of this is the great unknown, dark matter. Both galaxies are wrapped in immense invisible halos of the stuff, and its gravity is the main engine pulling them together. But we don't know exactly how it's distributed, so it adds a final, profound layer of unpredictability to the entire cosmic ballet. So our galaxy faces two potential destinies: a head-on merger, a spectacular reshaping where our solar system could be flung into the galactic suburbs of a new, sprawling stellar city, or a near miss, a gravitational flyby where the two galaxies warp and stretch each other, pulling out long tidal tails of stars and gas before continuing on their separate journeys. Of course, any of this would happen long after our own sun has expanded into a red giant and likely consumed the Earth. So why does it matter? Because it reveals something fundamental about our place in the cosmos. It shows that the universe is less like a predictable clockwork machine and more like a dynamic, chaotic dance. And a single better observation can completely rewrite what we thought was our destiny. It's a humbling reminder that the more we learn, the more we realize the cosmos always has another surprise in store.